All right, y'all, look at here. I just left T-Mobile. Bam, see that? T-Mobile. Just left T-Mobile. My daughter, she's an artist. She loves to draw, illustrate. She wanted an iPad, so I just left T-Mobile, getting her an iPad. It's the iPad. What is the seventh generation? Yep. And it has the Wi-Fi and cellular. It's 32-bit. 32 gigabyte. I'm going closer. Da-da-da. Yep, so she's good with it. She can take this anywhere and still be on and have data, LTE data. So I'm going to take it to her and let her unbox it. Because I know she's going to want to do that probably. Let me see. Here we go. Hopefully I don't drop my phone. Let me see. I can hold it like that. There we go. I'm sorry. I had to come back and get the light. Yep.
Okay, guys. So today I got. I feel like doing a voiceover. I'm sorry. I don't feel like talking. I got an iPad from T-Mobile. Okay. Let me see how the line looks. Okay. So this is the box. It's a little beat up right here, but it's okay. Which kind is this?
The 7th generation iPad.
So it's, yeah, you heard them. Heard him. Make sure you got no tape. How am I supposed to open this?
Should just drop. Probably have to hold that up like that and drop it.
Yeah.
You just grab the whole box and like on each side on the left and right side and just hold it and shake it like that. It'll drop down.
I gotta like, how would this look like? Bruh.
It'd be so much easier.
Okay, I got it. Bruh. Bruh.
Told you how to do it.
It wasn't doing nothing though.
You gotta like just pick it. You gotta hold it on the edges and pick it up.
It's not, bruh. I should do a bird count.
And kids don't listen to their parents.
It's not doing nothing. See, look, my way's working better.
No, it ain't working better. You weren't doing it right.
Look, but I got it out. There. I mean, we know that's protected. So here's what it looked like. You know the size?
No, I don't. Not off the. I'm gonna
Did
do
you turn your brightness up? Turn your brightness on. Looks better.
I'm gonna do a review of it and look at all the specs. It should have a. Is it on the box? It might have it on the box or whatever.
This is what it includes.
Oh, I already got it earlier, so.
I will show y'all, but I ain't trying to adjust my lighting. I ain't trying to do all that right now. I'll look at it later. I'll probably put it in. But yeah. So this is the iPad. The 7th gen one. So obviously you come with the iPad, so this is great. What colors did they have at the store?
Don't know. I think that might be the only color.
Lucky one is the pink. I can always make my own case. So yeah, this is the iPad. Come with the screen protector. It got the home button and everything. You know what I'm saying? The black Apple logo right there. How the sides look. And then in the box, what's this? Okay, what is this? This is
Probably a bunch of papers and instructions and whatnot.
yeah, all that stuff. Okay, then I got the charger. It got the chargers right here, and that's it probably. Let me make sure that's it. Yeah, it look like that's it. I'm just keeping it in the case. You think that's it?
Yeah.
Plus, it's kind of hard to get down in there, so yeah. So that's basically the iPad. So now we'll turn it on.
Yeah, unwrap it first.
Excuse me.
Hey, it happens.
Okay. Oh, the button's at the top. Come on now. All right. Yeah, see? Oh, okay. I should see if this stylus works on it. Where does it go? Where'd it go?
Which one?
The one I'll be using for my phone.
Is that up there? That ain't it up there?
Maybe it fell somewhere. What's up? Hola. Konnichiwa. This is Japanese. That look like hiragana. That's kanji, I think.
Looks like it.
Obviously English. Oh, I can press on to open. Okay. Choose my. Can I zoom in? Okay. Choose my language. Why don't you come right here? Why don't you stand
I
next
want to
to
be
me?
in your way.
Maybe right. So I can choose my language. You're gonna choose English. Region, United States. Bring your current iPad. Sign in and set it up.
So you can just hit set up manually because you should be able to just put your Apple ID in. Well, we're going to. We are back.
Okay, so wait, where's my thing? Alright. So is this the iPad? You can all of that once.
Yeah, I mean.
And turn your flash on.
It's on. See?
Your brightness need to be up.
It's up.
Can't auto lock it. But yeah.
Oh, like what, this?
To make the brightness go up even more. But yeah, I got here all the regular apps on
there
here.
You go. Dang, that might be too bright.
Excuse me. But yeah, let's go to the wait, what do you want to do?
Oh, I just wanted you to just click on a couple of them. You can do setting, and you ain't got to do setting. You can just do like something
go
simple.
To apps.
Because this is gonna be it after this, and
where's the apps?
Then when you do the
you spit on my finger.
My bad, Gianni. You sure want yours?
Why would I do it? Allow app store to use your location. No. Right?
No, like not those. Like only ones that need to, like Google Maps or something like that, or Apple Maps or whatever.
I'm putting on allow.
Yeah, not those. Those you can do it so that you can allow it only when you in the app. That's what they do now, so that's what I usually do. All right, and this is the iPad, y'all. I'm gonna let her go in and set everything up, and when she got it all together, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a review, right? Once you then use it for a minute, and we're gonna see some drawings and stuff like that, and let her do a review.
What are you getting mad? That's the truth.
No, I ain't.